Every month, it's the same thing. $20 for ChatGPT, $20 for Claude, another 15 for a coding assistant. Before you've even written a single line of useful code or generated one helpful insight, you're already $50 in the hole. By the end of the year, you've paid over $600 for the privilege of talking to a machine. But what if I told you that the smartest AI in the world isn't behind a paywall anymore? It's sitting right here on your own computer, waiting to be unlocked. Today, we're ending the AI tax. No more subscriptions, no more data tracking, and zero monthly fees. Let's build your private AI lab. We've been conditioned to think that powerful means cloud-based. But the landscape shifted while we weren't looking. Companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are great, but they come with three massive hidden costs. First, privacy. Every time you prompt a cloud AI, you're handing over your ideas to a giant corporation. Second, reliability. If their servers go down, your business stops. And third, SaaS fatigue. We are being subscription-ed to death. To do this, we need two things, an engine and a model. For the engine, we're using Ollama. It's the closest thing we have to a one-click install for local AI. Watch how fast this is. Once Ollama is running in your background, you need a model. Think of this as the brain you're plugging in. If you want something that rivals GPT-4, you're looking for Llama 3. If you want something lightning fast for coding, you go with Mistral or Phi 3. And just like that, I'm talking to a world-class LLM. No busy at the moment messages. No limit reached warnings. Just pure local compute. And for those of you who saw my video on the thirst of AI, here's the kicker. Running this locally is significantly more sustainable. You aren't powering a massive water-hungry data center in the desert. You're just using the electricity already running through your home. This is about more than just saving $20 a month. It's about sovereignty. When you host your own AI, you own the filters, you own the data, and you own the future of your workflow. No one can unplug your intelligence if your credit card expires. If you're ready to quit the subscription cycle, I've put the links to Ollama and my favorite open source models in the description below. If this helped you save a few $100 this year, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I'm building a full library of these local automation tools so you never have to pay a tech tax again. Stop paying, start hosting. I'll see you in the next one.